Alright, now let's go ahead and see deaths and recoveries per 100 cases. And for that, we need to create here figure 1 is equal to px dot line. So we are gonna see a line plot this time. So line, and the data is day-wise data, and at the x-axis we are gonna pass their date, and then on y-axis we are gonna pass their deaths per 100 cases. If you remember, we already have there a day-wise dot columns. So these are the column names which we are going to use there. So we have used here deaths per 100 cases, that is inside y, and then we are going to use here color discrete sequence, and there I'm going to use their death. Okay, that's the DTH. Alright, so this is for figure 1. Then I'm going to put here figure 2. For a figure 2, which we are going to use there, that we are going to use their recovered per 100 cases. Alright, and then the color discrete sequences we are going to use for recovered cases. Alright, let's go ahead and copy it and paste it here. Now once we paste it here, now we are going to see their deaths per 100 recovered cases. So let's go ahead, copy it here and paste it inside. Alright, so these are the three figures. Now we are gonna create here a subplot. So that subplot we can create with fig is equal to make subplots, and there we have rows is equal to 1 and column is 3. That's mean 3 column. We don't have any shared x-axis, so let's make it false. A shared x-axis means these axes will be shared together. That's mean these cases will be, axis will be the same for these two cases. And when we make this false, shared x-axis is equal to false, then we need to also give here subplots title. So there we have subplot titles, and there we are gonna make we are gonna put here deaths. In fact, we are gonna put the same, actually the name there. All right, and then we have their recovered 100 cases, and then finally we have their deaths per 100 recoveries. All right, now we are gonna add these traces inside this figure. So we can add that fig dot add underscore trace. All right, so there we have fig 1, and inside that we have data, that's the 0th column, and then we have their row is equal to 1, and the column on which we are gonna print that, that's the column 1. And then similarly I can copy it, paste it here, and then we have here figure 2, and similarly for figure 3, and the row is going to be same, but column is going to change here. All right, once it is done, then we are going to set here a figure height as well. So we can set that fig dot update underscore layout, and the height we are gonna pass there is equal to 400, and then we are gonna set there fig dot show. It will plot this figure. It says that fig 3 is not defined. I think yes, that should be fig 3. All right, now you see there we have got the 100 cases, recovered 100 cases, and deaths per 100 cases. But the one thing is not clear here. These are the mixed together, so we can just zoom out. Perhaps with the zoom out it's not gonna, yeah. So once I zoom out my Jupyter notebook, now you can see there very clearly how these cases are varying there day by day. So the death per 100 cases, how it is increasing. As the time is increasing, death was increasing, but after some time it started decreasing. And the recovery per 100 cases is there. It starts increasing, then it decreased, and then again it starts increasing. And death per 100 recovered, it decreased, and then a little increase, and then again decrement. All right. So this is all about in this lesson. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, I'll show you how you can plot a number of new cases every day. That's mean if you see there, in the next lesson, we are gonna see total the number of new cases per day and how many countries got affected day by day. All right. So see you in next lesson.